Friends, National Day is almost here, right? Why don't we do something innovative?
What's innovative?
You know what? Let's create a song using AI.
AI is a great idea.
Let's go to the AI lab.
Whoa!